Hi, happy Pie Day. It's National Pie Day. I thought in honor of it, I would make my grandmother's peach cobbler. As you can see, this is what it looks like. This is a stove-top recipe that goes into the oven. And so it starts with 2 large cans of sliced peaches and heavy syrup, a half a cup of butter, a cup and a half of sugar, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And so we're going to put all of those ingredients. As you can see, I'm pouring the sugar in now, but all of those ingredients are going to go into a pot on the stove, and we're going to let that cook down. And so as you can see, I added a little extra cinnamon because I like cinnamon. And you can see I'm adding my vanilla here. And again, we're going to stir. You'll see that the juice is very thin for now. As it continues to cook, it will begin to reduce down. You'll start to see the peaches soften and become more like the pie filling that we're accustomed to. I then begin to make my crust. Now, in this case, I just did a frozen crust rather than make one from scratch, but it works just as well. I cut it into strips and then layer it over my pie. And then, as you can see, I'm making sure that I pinch the edges of the pie and just make sure that I give it a little bit of a seal around the entire pie. This is what it looks like before it goes into the oven. And before I actually put it in the oven, I like to do a cinnamon sugar little sprinkling over the top of the crust just to sweeten the crust a bit. And at that point, it goes in the oven for 350 degrees for about an hour, 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. A family favorite. I like to top it with butter pecan ice cream just to make it extra rich. But it's, again, a family favorite and in honor of Pie Day.